Hello and welcome to another tutorial on Cleopatra Channel. Today I will teach you how to create a watermark, a very powerful watermark, simple and easy. You can use it for your image and your video. So let us start. Okay, you're welcome, and let us start to create the watermark. And for this tutorial we will go to the website we use. It's pixlr.com, as you can see, and from here we will go to Pixlr E. Then I will go to create new. Here I will leave the default size as it is because it's reasonable, it's good size for any website. And I will click create. I will leave the background dark like this, but it's entirely up to you to change it. From here you can click and you can make it a light background, but for this tutorial I recommend to use the dark background. Okay, for the watermark we need to create some text, some objects, some lines. So let us start from here. I will click on this here, and on the top I have all this objects here. I will click on the circle and I will remove the fill. I will make this small to it's fine, and I will come in the middle, roughly in the middle like this, and I will create this one. Okay, and then I will go to the line. I will put one small line here. I will put another small line here, like this. Okay, then I need to put some text inside here. I will click T, which is text, double click in the middle anywhere, and I will add some text. I will say, for example, my website. Of course you can say whatever you want. This one is a little bit bold, so I need it very thin because I do not need the watermark to affect the original image or the video. And I'll make it small like this. Put it in the middle here. Perfect. And what do you think? It's okay, it's fine. Or a little bit, or move it this way. Okay, now it's okay. Now it's fine. It's in the middle. Okay, the first step, it's finish. Now we have two layers, the background and the text. But I need both to be in one single layer. For this, I will go to select. I will choose select all. Then I will go to layer, and from here I will click merge visible. As you can see, both they become one layer with a lock. Double click on the lock, and then can you see the three dots, small dots? Click on it and choose duplicate layer. Now you click here and you remove this layer to next one like this. Great. Then click again on these three dots and choose again duplicate. We duplicate from this one, so it will be here. Take it from here and put it on the other side. Great. Now we have three texts inside here, and we have three layers, but we need to make it all in one layer. So you learn from the last step what we do. We go to select all, come to layer and choose merge visible. As you can see, again all become in one layer. Again, double click on the lock to unlock it, and then we will go to the three dots. And by the way, now all these three, it's one layer. Okay, I will come to these three dots and I will choose duplicate. It will duplicate everything, as we will see now. Now if I move, you see it duplicates everything. So I'll go back down a little bit like this, and I'll leave it here. So this one, it's here now. As you can see, it's in blue. I will click on these three dots again and I will choose duplicate. So which one I duplicate? This one. I'll take it from here and go on the top like this. Okay. Now I have 3 layers. Again, I need to bring all together as a one layer. I will go to select. I will click select all. I will go to layer and again merge visible. Again, all become in one layer. I will click on unlock, double click here, so I can work on this and I can do whatever edit on this image. Okay. Now we create the watermark, but it's too much visible white. Let me bring an image and see how it looks like when we put it on top of any image. I'll go to layer. I'll go to add image as a layer. I will go to anything here like let me bring something here. And go to image. On the image, I will choose this image. Let me resize it. Okay, great, good. Let me bring the watermark on top. So I'm come here and double click and grab this one, drag it, put it here. Now you can see the watermark, but it's too high visible. I need to reduce the white color. So I'll come to these 3 dots here. I will go here and put this down a little bit like this. By 15, 16, as you can see. So now, of course, you can make it high like this, or you can make it lower, whatever you like. But I think by 15, 16, it's reasonable. It's visible, but it does not damage the original image. Or you can make it 14. You know what I mean? 13, 14, like this. Great. Okay, now we have the image with the watermark, but still both as 2 layers. Now I will show you something very important before you merge both together, they put together in one layer. Remove the image, do not remove it, just temporarily click here. So the image disappeared and we have the watermark. Click on file, click on save, and save the watermark. Put it whatever name, say my watermark. Okay. Make sure when you save it, it's PNG. It's transparent background. If you save it JPG, it will be white background. We don't need this. We need PNG. Make sure when you save it in any program, this program and any other program, make sure you save it PNG as transparent background. And you just download it. Okay. Now this watermark, it's on your computer, on your system with you. You can use it for whatever image, whatever video, anything you need to put it on top of it to claim your right for this image or this video. Okay, now let us bring the image here, bring it back, and as you can see, the watermark is visible, but it's great, it's good degree, and I need to bring both together as a one layer. The reason for that, if you save it like this, it will be saved as a 2 layers, and there is many programs on the internet. It can remove the watermark as a layer. We don't need this. We need the watermark to be part of the picture. Nobody can move it. Nobody can delete it. Nobody can erase it. Okay? For this reason, we have to bring these 2 layers in one layer. You know, from many times we did it. We go to select all, and layer, and you click here. Okay? As you can see, both they become one layer, one picture. Anyone with a whatever software, whatever program need to remove the watermark, it will be impossible, because the watermark now it's on the image. It's part of the image. If anyone try to remove this one, it will remove part of the image itself. Okay, now you can save your image whatever, under whatever name, and here it doesn't matter, you can save it as GPG because it's picture. As you can see, the background is white, not transparent, and you can give the file any name, whatever you want, and you can save it. I hope you enjoyed this video, you learned something new. If you have any question, please ask me, and I will repeat this again and again until everyone learn how to create very powerful, very simple watermark without buying any software, expensive software, or to download any software. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time. Goodbye.